Some problems cannot be fixed, no matter how much time, love, energy, patience, or intelligence someone puts into them. And the painful part is, most people do not waste their life because they are lazy. They waste it because they keep trying to repair things that were never fully in their control. They keep explaining to people who do not want to understand. They keep loving people who do not want to change. They keep fighting the past, chasing closure, and trying to force life to become fair. But smart people eventually learn a brutal truth. Not every problem is a puzzle. Some problems are walls, and if you keep trying to unlock a wall, you do not become wise. You become exhausted. So in this video, we are going to break down 5 unfixable problems people waste their lives trying to solve, and why accepting them can save years of mental suffering. The first unfixable problem is trying to change someone who does not want to change. This is one of the biggest traps in human relationships. A person sees someone's potential, their good side, their soft moments, their hidden pain, and starts believing, maybe if I love them enough, explain enough, forgive enough, or stay long enough, they will finally become better. But change does not happen because someone else suffers for it. Change happens when the person themselves becomes honest enough to face their own behavior. You cannot mature someone who is committed to staying childish. You cannot heal someone who keeps using their wounds as an excuse. You cannot save someone who secretly enjoys being rescued. People can support change, but they cannot become the change for someone else. And many people lose years of life trying to raise an adult who never agreed to grow. The second unfixable problem is trying to get closure from someone who benefited from confusing you. Closure sounds beautiful, but not everyone will give it. Some people will hurt you and still act innocent. Some will leave without explaining. Some will lie until the end. Some will twist the story so they never have to feel guilty. And if you keep waiting for them to finally admit what they did, you may stay mentally trapped for years. The dark truth is, some people do not want to give closure because confusion keeps you emotionally connected. If you keep asking why, they still have space in your mind. Smart people eventually understand that closure is not always something another person hands you. Sometimes closure is the moment you stop meeting a dishonest person to explain themselves honestly. The third unfixable problem is trying to make everyone understand your intentions. This one destroys peaceful people slowly. They explain. They over-explain. They defend every decision. They try to prove they were not selfish, rude, cold, arrogant, careless, or wrong. But some people are not misunderstanding you by accident. They are misunderstanding you because the version they created benefits them. If they see you as the villain, they do not have to examine their own behavior. If they call your boundary selfish, they do not have to respect it. If they call your silence arrogance, they do not have to admit they lost access. You cannot force someone to understand you when misunderstanding you protects their ego. At some point, smart people stop fighting in emotional courtrooms where the judge already decided the verdict before they spoke. The fourth unfixable problem is trying to repair the past. Many people spend their whole life mentally returning to moments they cannot change. They replay old mistakes. They imagine different replies. They punish themselves for trusting the wrong person, wasting time, staying too long, leaving too late, saying too much, or not knowing better. But the past cannot be negotiated with. It cannot be edited by guilt. It cannot be repaired by self-hatred. The only thing the past can do is teach. But many people turn it into a prison instead of a lesson. Smart people understand that regret is useful only when it creates wisdom. After that, it becomes punishment. You cannot fix yesterday by destroying today. You can only make sure yesterday does not keep controlling tomorrow. The fifth unfixable problem is trying to make life fair. This may be the hardest one to accept. Good people sometimes lose. Bad people sometimes win. Loyal people get betrayed. Lazy people get opportunities. Honest people get misunderstood. People who hurt others sometimes move on faster than the people they damaged. And if someone keeps waiting for life to become fair before they move forward, they may never move at all. Smart people do not accept unfairness because they like it. They accept it because denial gives unfairness even more power. They understand that life will not always apologize, explain, or balance the scale in front of them. So instead of wasting years asking, "Why did this happen to me?" they start asking, "What can I still build from here?" That question does not erase pain, but it returns power. And that is why these problems are so dangerous. They look solvable from a distance. Changing someone looks possible because they sometimes act better. Getting closure looks possible because the truth feels obvious. Being understood looks possible because your intentions were real. Fixing the past looks possible because the mind keeps replaying it. Making life fair looks possible because deep down, everyone wants justice. But wanting something to be fixable does not make it fixable. And the longer someone refuses to accept that, the more life they lose, trying to force reality to obey their hope. This does not mean people should give up on everything. Some problems can be solved. Some relationships can heal. Some mistakes can be repaired. Some people can change. Some situations can improve. But the difference is this: fixable problems respond to effort. Unfixable problems only consume effort. A fixable problem creates progress. An unfixable problem creates exhaustion. A fixable problem meets you halfway. An unfixable problem keeps moving the line. Every time you get close. The painful truth is, many people are not stuck because they do not know what to do. They are stuck because they keep doing the right things for the wrong problem. They keep giving love where accountability is needed. They keep asking for honesty from dishonest people. They keep explaining to people committed to twisting them. They keep punishing themselves for not knowing what they only learn through pain. They keep demanding fairness from a world that does not always operate with mercy. So if this pattern felt familiar, maybe the lesson is not to become colder. Maybe the lesson is to become wiser. Stop trying to fix what only drains you. Stop trying to save people who are loyal to their own destruction. Stop trying to get clean answers from messy people. Stop trying to earn understanding from people who need you to be wrong. Stop trying to rewrite the chapter that already ended. And the brutal truth is this: some things cannot be fixed, not because you are weak, but because they were never yours to repair. In the moment you stop wasting your life on unfixable problems, you finally get enough energy to build something that can actually change.